This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about material management. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to channel my student support system. What is material management? Material management is defined as managing the proper supply of all materials to be used in the hospital or health center where you are working, such as purchasing, receiving, supply, storage, utilization, and distribution of the items within the hospital or health center. There should be centralization of all material management responsibility for the purchasing, receiving, supply, storage, distribution functions within the hospital and health center. There also should be a centralized control of the processing or reprocessing of the items which are to be sterilized. Means sterilization department should be centralized for the whole center or the hospital or reusable supply items. Then the management will be better. Material management program includes basically three strategies. Number one, a corporate strategy for ensuring the materials are purchased at the lowest cost. Second strategy, to ensure that inventories and their associated carrying cost are aggressively monitored and controlled. And third one, a system for ensuring the ready availability of the required material on time. What are the objectives of material management? First of all, main objective of material management is to ensure the right quantity of the material in right quantity as well as quality at right time, at right place and at a right cost. This is the main aim or objective of the material management. Other objectives include to avoid surplus and wastage of the material, to ensure appropriate storage of the items, to ensure easy retrieval of the items as per need. There should not be more haphazard system to retrieve or to receive the item, and it may lead to delay in supply. So easy retrieval system should be there. To avoid breakage of the items due to improper handling or storage, and to ensure distribution of items to the point of use in time. To ensure optimum use of material without wastage, to maintain proper record of the material, and to obtain correct quality of the material at lowest possible cost. So these are the main objectives of material management. What are the functions of material management? What we do in the material management? A lot of activities are done for material management, which includes material planning and creating demand or requirement, purchasing or outsourcing, then inventory control, storekeeping or storage of the item, proper storage, standardization and evaluation, transporting and handling, inspection and quality control, value analysis, disposal of surplus or obsolete items, and distribution. Now we will come to the actual procedure of material management. Material management is a systematic procedure starting from estimation of demand, and it includes these six steps or uh, sequence of events. So first of all, estimation of demand, procurement or purchasing, receipt of item and inspection, storage and inventory control, maintenance and repair, and disposal or condemnation of unusable items or obsolete items. Let us discuss them one by one. First is estimation of demand. Demand is estimated as per requirement of the health establishment, be it a health center or a big hospital. This demand is generated in a format known as indent. It includes name of the articles, quantity required, quantity in hand, and frequency of delivery. This indent system we will discuss later in next lecture. The indent should be received from all departments of the facility or hospital or the health center. Then value analysis is done. After careful value analysis, the purchasing or procurement department or authority makes the final demand list of articles supplies needed for the institute or health center. Second is procurement or purchasing. After determining the requirement, next step is to procure or to purchase the items. Procurement can be done by tendering or bidding system. For government organizations in India, DGS&D, this is the Department for Supply and Demand. This has launched an online platform, GEM, and through GEM, all government institutions are obliged to purchase. They need to purchase all the supplies from GEM, that is Government E-Marketplace. Government e-marketplace is very useful for both seller and buyer and protect their rights. Private institutions can purchase items from open market by open bidding or tendering, and subordinated institutes like small institutions or sub-center PHC, they can receive their supply from higher institution. For example, a sub-center or PHC can receive their items from district store. Next step is receipt and inspection of material. The items ordered are received in the store, be it PHC store, be it district store or state store, or in the main store of the hospital. There should be a system of inspection of item by authorized team so that quality ensured. Inspection may be carried out by random sampling and chemical as well as physical methods. Storage and inventory control. Store should be easily accessible by the vendor or intender. The store should be of adequate size to accommodate all the drugs and instruments and appliances, etc. There should be steel racks with shelves, and refrigerator facility should also be there so that uh, heat sensitive drugs or items can be stored. Inventory control system should also be in place. Inventory control is defined as stocking adequate number of material so that they are available whenever required. Inventory registers should be maintained as per the principles of record and reports. And for principle of record and reports, you can visit my channel. Record and record lecture is already there in Hindi as well as in English. Then maintenance and repair. Proper maintenance of the equipment is very essential to have sustained use and to preserve the capital investment. All equipments must be maintained in working order, and periodic inspection should be done and servicing should be done, and all bills and warranty cards should be kept ready for use, and there should be centralization centralizing process or centralizing system for maintaining and repairing the items. Disposal or condemnation. When equipments become obsolete or unusable, they should be condemned. A condemnation board or team is constituted to condemn the non-usable items. The board members certify that the items are unserviceable. The condemned item should be disposed as per the policy of the institution or department. Thank you students for watching this video. You can subscribe the channel for latest updates. You can like Facebook page, and for making your notes you can visit mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.